Hello guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. This is the first video of React tutorial. In this video, we are going to create and set up React project on Windows. So let's get started. For React, we are using VS Code as a IDE. So let's download it. Just go on Google and search for Visual Studio Code. This is the official site of Visual Studio Code. We are downloading the user installer file. So select 64 or 32-bit as per your system. After downloaded, run that file and follow the instructions. So this is the VS Code. Open terminal here. To create React project, we need Node to be installed. So let's check Node.js is already installed on system or not using the node/v command. If we get this error, it means the node is not installed in your system. So to install, just go on Google and search for Node.js download. This is the official site of Node.js. Here we are downloading the .msi file, which is a Windows installer file. Now install it. Done. Close and reopen Visual Studio Code so that we can get the changes. Again open terminal and in that check node version using node-v command. Yes, here you can see the version of node. Also check the npm version. Once you install node, then npm will also get comes. Here is the npm version. Now let's create the directory for our project. If you don't know commands to create and redirect to the directory, then just follow the step. Now install Create React app globally on your system. Now create React project using npx create react app command and give here your app name. So here I am giving the name as demo app. It will take some time to create React project. Meanwhile, let me tell you about the importance of the npx create react app command. What you will get by executing this command while creating the React project. So here you will get build setup, convenient folder structure, script to run application, script to bundle for production, ability to extend with Sass, TypeScript and many more. Here we have done with project creation. Now let's quickly start the application by using the npm start command. Okay, so here I'm getting this error. Uh, this is because to use the npm start command, we should point to the project folder. So write here cd and your project name, which you have given while creating the project. And now run npm start command. Basically, if you give a npm start command, that time it will execute the command which you have mentioned against start in the package.json file. Don't worry if you not understand this. In next video, we are going to cover this. So allow here. Here is our site. Now let's check folder structure in VS Code. Open folder from here. Browse the project folder. So this is a standard project structure you have get from create react app command. In this folder, you will see all the installed package stuff. Next is a public folder. In this folder, you will see common stuff that required for the app. Next is a SRC. Whatever we will do, that all comes in this folder. This is the app.js file. This is the entry point of the application. Now let's start the application again from here. The code of this page is written in apt function. If we remove this and save this, then we will see that page will not exist anymore. This warning is because we have removed code, but the reference is still present at the top. That is now unused, that's why. Let's undo the changes. So that's it for today. In this video, you have learned how to set up and create a React project. Also, we have seen folder structure that's come with the create React app command. In next video, we will see the command from the package.json file, which required to perform an operation on a project. So thank you for watching. See you in next video. Bye bye. Take care.